Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another great, cool video I'm gonna bring to you guys. I'm over here in Los Angeles, California, more specifically in Encino, and just wanted to see if anybody else had this experience. So I've had some issues with the rear tail light of my Tesla. Appears to be having some condensation buildup in there, and I did send a request for it to be reviewed by Tesla maintenance to see if it would be covered or not. But I'm curious from everybody out there in the community if you guys have had this before, and to the extent of this condensation buildup that you see here on my actual brake lens. So I haven't seen any errors or anything like that pop up on the console or anything on the app, but when you compare it to the other one, it's just kind of strange how one has condensation and the other one doesn't. So it almost leads me to believe that there's some sort of maybe leak or something going on with this particular brake light. So again, if any of you guys have had this experience before and Tesla's repaired it for free, leave a comment down below. Let me know. I'm curious to find out what Tesla's going to say. And I'll post an update video letting you guys know exactly specifically what the outcome of this is. Thanks a lot. And if you've liked this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Peace.